Our story begins around 4.6 billion years ago when Earth formed. In the primordial oceans, the stage was set for the emergence of life. The first signs of life date back around 3.5 billion years ago. At this time, Earth's atmosphere was vastly different from what we know today. It consisted primarily of gases like methane, ammonia, water vapor, and carbon dioxide. In these conditions, the building blocks of life, such as amino acids and nucleotides, began to form through a process called abiogenesis. Gradually, these organic molecules organized themselves into simple microorganisms known as prokaryotes. Among the earliest forms of life were cyanobacteria, which played a crucial role in shaping the planet's future. These ancient microorganisms were capable of photosynthesis, converting sunlight into energy and releasing oxygen as a byproduct. The oxygen produced by cyanobacteria started to accumulate in the oceans and eventually, over millions of years, began to reshape the atmosphere. This event, known as the Great Oxygenation Event, laid the foundation for the evolution of more complex life forms. Over millions of years, single-celled life forms diversified and evolved, paving the way for more complex organisms. They developed astonishing adaptations and structures, allowing them to inhabit diverse environments. During this period, prokaryotes continued to evolve and gave rise to various groups, including archaea and bacteria. These single-celled organisms displayed remarkable diversity in their metabolic processes, survival strategies, and modes of reproduction. One group of organisms, known as eukaryotes, emerged around 2 billion years ago. Unlike prokaryotes, eukaryotes possess a more complex cellular structure with a nucleus and membrane-bound organelles. This milestone marked a significant leap forward in the complexity of life. Eukaryotes further diversified, leading to the emergence of algae, protozoa, and other complex single-celled organisms. Some of these organisms formed symbiotic relationships, such as endosymbiosis, where one organism lives inside another. This process eventually led to the development of mitochondria, the powerhouse of eukaryotic cells. In a daring move, life began venturing out of the oceans and onto the land. Approximately 500 million years ago, the first complex organisms colonized terrestrial environments. The transition from sea to land posed numerous challenges for early life forms. These intrepid pioneers, including primitive plants and arthropods, had to adapt to the harsh and ever-changing conditions of the terrestrial world. They developed structures like roots, leaves, and cuticles to acquire water, nutrients, and withstand desiccation. The colonization of land by plants also played a crucial role in transforming the environment. Through photosynthesis, plants released even more oxygen into the atmosphere, further altering the Earth's composition. As land-dwelling organisms evolved, new ecosystems emerged. Ancient forests teemed with diverse life forms, including early arthropods like millipedes and scorpions. These organisms played critical roles in shaping terrestrial habitats and establishing the foundations for future life forms.
Welcome to the Mesozoic era, a time dominated by colossal reptiles. Dinosaurs roamed the Earth for over 160 million years, evolving into a diverse range of shapes and sizes. The Mesozoic era, often referred to as the Age of Reptiles, is divided into three periods: the Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous. During this time, dinosaurs dominated terrestrial ecosystems, taking on various forms, from small and agile predators to massive, long-necked herbivores. The evolution of dinosaurs showcased remarkable adaptations. Some dinosaurs developed armor-like plates for defense, while others evolved sharp teeth and claws for hunting. They thrived in diverse environments, ranging from lush forests to vast deserts. Not only were dinosaurs prevalent during this era, but other groups of reptiles, such as pterosaurs and marine reptiles, like ichthyosaurs and mosasaurs, also flourished. This period witnessed the rise of flowering plants, which provided new food sources and habitats for both dinosaurs and other organisms. Amidst the changing landscapes, a new order of mammals, known as primates, emerged. About 55 million years ago, these intelligent creatures began their evolutionary journey. The early primates evolved in response to the diverse ecological niches available in the shifting world. They adapted to arboreal environments, developing grasping hands and feet, binocular vision, and enhanced cognitive abilities. These adaptations were crucial for survival in the dense forests where they lived. During this period, various primate groups emerged, including lemurs, tarsiers, and early monkeys. These early primates diversified across different continents, each adapting to the specific environments they inhabited. Around 25 million years ago, ape-like primates appeared with larger brains and a more upright posture. These creatures laid the foundation for the eventual emergence of great apes, including orangutans, gorillas, bonobos, and chimpanzees. The evolution of Homo sapiens, modern humans. Our journey spans millions of years, beginning with our ancestors' humble beginnings in Africa. Around 2.5 million years ago, the first members of the genus Homo, such as Homo habilis and Homo erectus, emerged. These early human ancestors exhibited increased brain size, tool-making abilities, and a gradual transition to a bipedal gait. Over time, different Homo species appeared, each with its own unique characteristics and cultural advancements. Around 300,000 years ago, Homo sapiens, our direct ancestors, emerged in Africa. Homo sapiens possessed several distinguishing traits, including a larger brain, complex social structures, and advanced cognitive abilities. These qualities enabled them to adapt and thrive in diverse environments, eventually spreading across the globe. The journey of Homo sapiens out of Africa, known as the Out of Africa migration, began around 70,000 years ago. Our ancestors gradually colonized different parts of the world, encountering and interacting with other hominin species like Neanderthals and Denisovans.
Today, Homo sapiens have become a globally distributed species, flourishing in diverse environments and cultivating vast civilizations. The success of Homo sapiens can be attributed to our unique cognitive abilities, including language, abstract thinking, and the capacity for innovation. These abilities allowed us to develop complex societies, create art, build cities, and make significant advancements in science and technology. Throughout history, humans have harnessed their intellectual capabilities to explore the natural world, unlocking the mysteries of the universe. From the development of agriculture and the rise of ancient civilizations to the scientific and industrial revolutions, human ingenuity has transformed the world. Despite the challenges we face, our species continues to adapt, innovate, and shape the future. As we recognize the interconnectedness of all living beings and the fragility of our planet, we strive to build a sustainable future that ensures the survival and well-being of all life on Earth. From the earliest evidence of life on Earth to the remarkable evolution of humans, the story of life is a testament to the incredible diversity, resilience, and adaptability of living organisms. Our journey has been shaped by countless factors, from geological changes to climatic shifts, but through it all, life has persisted, evolved, and thrived.